All right, guys, quick video. We're talking about a case for the Nothing phone. This is a Nothing One phone available right now in the US for $299. I'll drop the links. No affiliate sales or whatever. Go my way. It's just a really good deal. This is a great phone for the price of $299. We get the glyphs on the back that you can customize and assign them to different people in your contacts list, which I think is very cool. And it's just a very good phone for the price. I really, really have enjoyed this device. But saying that, because of the glyphs on the back, getting a good case that I like has been difficult. So I went outside of the US to AliExpress to see if they had my favorite cases, the Aramid fiber cases. And you guys know that's what I love on all of my phones. Aramid fiber all day long, and guess what they do? So I picked up an Aramid fiber case for the Nothing phone for $19.99 or 20 bucks, whatever it was. And this is what we have here. And of course, I will drop the link below so you guys can check this out. But look at this case. The glyphs are all cut out perfectly. The Aramid fiber feel, that Aramid fiber look, but just a very good looking case. And of course, the difference with a lot of Aramid fiber cases, even some of the more expensive ones, the side rails are not covered. Well, that is not the case with this Aramid fiber case here. But let's throw it in and just see the fit, see how they look. This is the first time I'm trying this. I haven't even tried it in the phone yet, but you can see look how good that looks. Now we'll turn the glyphs on in a minute so we can see if they are actually perfectly with the cutouts here, fit perfectly with the cutouts. But look at this case. The feel is finally, oh, I do have a system update. Sweet. Now, what I really didn't like about this is that this phone is slippery. So I wanted a case, but of course, if you pick up a phone like this, you want the glyphs to be able to be seen and to show off the glyphs. And so I didn't want to put like a clear TPU rubber case on it. Those cases I hate. I think they're terrible and they're not good. This, on the other hand, my favorite case. I still get the glyphs to show, but now I also get some protection around the sides. Now, on the top, I should still get a screen protector on here, but the grip on here is good now. Again, it was very slippery without a case on it, but the grip is here. The sides are perfect. A little bit of protection. I should get a screen protector for this, but let me know what you think of here. But let's turn on a glyph and see. So I love these glyphs on here. Even in a well-lit room like this is how bright these things get. Now you can dim these down and make them a little less bright, but we got different options again that you can customize and assign to people in your contacts list. But look at this case. This case is amazing because we still get to see all of these glyphs. And that's why you pick up a phone like this. But $299, you're getting just something very different finally, right? It's a little different. Well, it's a lot different. Let's be real. And it's just very cool, right? Every time you get a notification. Now, you can turn this off if it bothers you, of course, but what we have here is just a unique phone with a cool case for $19.99, that Aramid fiber look, and of course, the actual phone on here. The Nothing has been a great device for me. I do have a full review coming. Still, I did do like a 1 week later with this phone. And overall, it's been a great experience with this device. I'm a big fan. I cannot wait to see what we do with the second gen Nothing phone. And now we got a dope case, and we know that maybe it'll be available here from other countries, but for 20 bucks on AliExpress. It took about a month to get here, but if you have this device, I will drop the links. You can check out the case. Dope case for a dope phone at great prices. So that's it, guys. Quick video. I'll be back soon. Peace.